guess what? Another vlog for another holiday.
That's my side.
Crazy man. Well, now it's yours. This is a quick break. We like a little short breaks, we like a longer breaks. Who doesn't like holiday? Anyway, you probably read the title already because you clicked on it. So we are in Lanzarote in Canary Islands that belongs to Spain. Technically it's Europe, but if you really think, it's not.
Where is this, precious? Where is this?
Our hotel is a little simple hotel, as you see. Archie's trying to unpack our luggage. Thank you, honey.
I just do myself.
Really. And the hotel, this view, guys, that's why I booked it. And we actually took a taxi from the airport, and the taxi cost like £12 and took literally like 5 minutes. We stay in Arrecife, which is capital. What we're gonna do next, maybe get a quick shower and then go to the beach, because we're on a holiday. It's already evening, sun is going down, so the beach is kind of empty. Just having a little after dinner walk.
Because we fall.
Sometimes you wake up in the morning and the first thing you do, you open the curtains or a window. But sometimes you go up from a bed, you open the curtain, and then you have this view. Welcome to Lanzarote, guys! You guys, I picked up this super simple hotel and it turned out to be quite good. It has beautiful pool area and all. Weather in here, the sun, the sea, happy me. It's so nice and quiet, baby beach, and then outside of the wall is wild wind and everything. You guys, just look at my face. I think I burned today. The sun in here is like really strong. Anyways, so today we're gonna take it easy. I'm not putting any makeup. I just have lipstick on because my face needs a little bit to chill from this everything. So makeup wouldn't help, I think. We're just gonna go for a light dinner and literally chill today. Hey guys, so we just got the car as we decided to go and explore a little bit. We're going to the south of the island. More beautiful beaches and more places. Just had a little coffee break and now I think we're gonna go and explore more. Because we just like to travel, we don't like to sit in one place and do nothing. Funny thing, walking in this beautiful beach and we're like, yeah, beautiful beach, but then that part is actually the nudist beach. So we returned and then we're heading to the car now to go explore more, I guess. I ain't a fan of nudist beach, sorry. we go again. Beautiful views. Shaky, shaky road. Not too bad beach, not too bad. Big actually. Yesterday was such an amazing day, so worth to rent a car and just go around the island. We visited 6 beaches, 7 including the one in front of our hotel. The most 2 amazing beaches were Papagaya Beach, the 2 beaches that you go from the top of the cliff and then you go down to the beach. Beautiful but very impractical because there's no really a toilet or anything, so if you need to go to the loo you're a bit stuck. But they have 2 cafes which were absolutely packed with people and was super overpriced. The more practical beach and so beautiful was Playa Carmen Beach. Huge beach, loads of cafes, loads of pubs, public toilets and everything you want, so worth a visit. So I think the most 2 beautiful beaches from all the beaches we seen yesterday was those 2. I don't know what these locks are about. Guys, we came back from cycling. We literally did like 20k. Look, Art is exhausted.
No, I'm fresh.
This is where we've been yesterday. This Porto de Papagayo. So we came from this Recife and we drove this way.
You're loco.
Huh?
You're crazy.
Hey guys! Good morning! I say good morning because it's an early morning and we are about to get the taxi to go to the airport and go back home. This was a really nice short trip. We've been in here for like 4 days-ish, kinda. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick vlog and you enjoyed traveling together with us. And so please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've been already to Canary Islands, what you like the most about it, and what you would like to see next in my videos. So I shall see you soon. Thanks so much for watching and bye.